So guys, today we are going to unbox this Amaze Bip S watch which was launched before a month. This is a brand new Amaze Bip S. So let's unbox this Amaze Bip S. So the packaging is very simple. So in today's video we'll find out what are the contents inside this box, how does it work, what are the features, everything. Open the package. This is the box. It is waterproof, Bluetooth 5.0. Everything is there. So here is the watch in front. We'll open this thing. So nothing much we get a charger and a user manual. We need to pull like this. As you can see, we get a charger and a user manual. So I will remove this watch and pair with my phone and show you how does it work. So guys, now we have paired our device with the phone using Amazfit application, and I have power on this Amazfit watch. So I had got this Cinnabar red color watch which looks very much nice, and it has a heart rate sensor here, and it costs about 5,000 rupees. And talking about these features, we get many things like heart rate, EIA, continuous heart rate monitoring, then workout modes. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 workout modes, and it may get added in the future. Actually, I had used this Fitbit for 15 days, and GPS is very much accurate. As you can see here, it shows the full map in the mobile. And we get weather report of about 7 days. Alarm, we can just turn it on. Timer, we have stopwatch and countdown. Then cool thing, we get compass also, and this tells the location. And in settings we get watch face. We have many types of watch face. And talking about charging this device, you just need to place this device in this dock and slightly press the device and it starts charging. I have not connected it yet, and the charging is too easy, and it has soft bands also which feels very much comfortable. The body is made up of polycarbonate, and the button is made up of stainless steel, which you cannot rotate. It means you can rotate it but it doesn't work. It just, you can press it, it goes to home screen directly when you press this button. We have shortcut keys. If we long press this button, example, if we select this treadmill, and if we long press this button in the home screen, it opens that workout mode automatically. We get many things. Brightness is too high, it can go very too high, but it has a translucent display which is visible even in sunlight also. So the backlight is not required too much. It is just required in night, that's it. And the display is awesome. Talking about battery life, we get around 45 days as I have observed. And yesterday I had full charge this band yesterday, and today the battery percentage is 98%. I have used a little bit of GPS, that's it, and it is good. I think 45 days it gives the battery life. It is a main feature of this device. You don't need to charge the device for more time. and it is waterproof. You can you wear this watch and do swimming, many more things, and you can control music also. So talking about the differences between Amazfit Bip and Amazfit Bip S, there are not much differences. Only the Bluetooth version is increased, and the GPS has become still more efficient. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.